Let's start. The project name is Activity Navigation. Let's see the project structure. Here we have two activities, the main activity, and the second activity. And in the UI, we have activity_main.xml, which is the layout of the main activity. And activity_second.xml, which is the layout of the second activity. Let's see the UI. In the main activity, we have a button with text, go to the second activity. Let's see the code. Here we have constraint layout as the root layout. And this is the button. In the second activity, we have a text view with text, second activity. Let's see the Java code now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, we set the onClick listener of the button. In the onClick function, we have created an intent, with the main activity as the source, and the second activity as the destination. And then we call the startActivity function, and pass the intent in it. We keep the second activity as it is, so I will skip that part. Let's run the app. As you can see, when I click the button, the app navigates to the second activity. And when I press the back button, the app navigates back to the first activity. So that's it. That's how you can navigate from one activity to another in Java Android. Thanks for watching.